What is up everyone, Chiropractic here, and in today's video we are going to be looking at text neck, modern society's fastest growing cause of neck pain, headaches, shoulder issues, and then we're going to dive into some stretches and exercises that can help you at home so you don't have to suffer. Let's do it. So what is text neck? Text neck is just simply a term that is coined to refer to a certain postural position. Now we've all seen it and we've all done it. That postural position is most seen in people when they're on their mobile device, their tablet, their mobile phone, and we'll sit there and we get so engrossed that we look down. And you can see the strain that it puts on your neck. Text neck is definitely a growing problem. If you're watching this, you're looking for a solution. So if this is something that you do regularly, let me know in the comments below how long you've suffered for and what you've done to try and fix it so far. I'd love to hear from you. If you haven't already done so, click, hit, or smash that like button to let me know that this content is valuable to you, and I'll keep making it for you. So the first exercise that we're going to look at is the chin tuck. It's super simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our finger and we're going to place it on our chin. Now we're going to keep the chin parallel to the floor and we're going to draw the chin backwards while staying still. We're going to do this 10 times, and the thing to remember is if you're getting a bit of a double chin, then you're doing it right. To make it a little bit harder, you can actually hold it in that position for just a few seconds, and you're going to repeat this up to 10 times. Do it nice and slowly, really controlled. Now the next exercise that we are going to look at is the shoulder pinch. Now with this, it's equally as simple as the chin tuck exercise, except this time we're really focusing on those back muscles. We want to draw those shoulder blades together and in, and then we're going to hold it for 3 to 4 seconds. Now you can do this sitting or standing as long as your posture is good. In this next exercise, we're going to be doing the pec stretch. We're going to stand in a doorway. We're going to place our arms or our hands either side of the door frame, and we're just going to gently lean into the door. We're going to hold these stretches for around 30 seconds, and we're going to relax and repeat one more time. If this video was helpful, if it was useful, if you got something out of this video, you might enjoy this one too. Alternatively, this video could be exactly what you're looking for. And if you haven't already done so, click, hit, or smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon if that's something you like to do. Until next time, don't forget these videos.